Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to request help using Quick Assist on Windows 11. Quick Assist is a useful Windows tool that allows you to receive remote assistance from someone you trust. First, click on the Start button. Now type Quick Assist in the search box. Click on Quick Assist from the search results to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, you may notice that the available options can look different depending on your Windows version. In my version, there is no separate Get Help option displayed on the screen, so I'm not going to look for an option that is not available here. Instead, I'll explain how the help request process normally works. When you need help with your computer, you can ask a trusted person to assist you using Quick Assist. The person providing assistance can start a Quick Assist session and generate a security code. They can then share that security code with you. You can enter the security code in Quick Assist when the option is available on your computer. After entering the correct code, follow the instructions displayed on the screen to continue the connection process. You may also need to approve the connection before the remote assistance session can begin. Once connected, the trusted person can help you troubleshoot problems, explain settings, or guide you through different Windows tasks. For your security, only accept remote assistance from people you know and trust. Never share your security code with strangers, and avoid showing passwords or other private information during a remote assistance session. For this demonstration, I'm not going to sign in or connect to another computer. I'm simply showing the Quick Assist interface and explaining how the process works. So the basic idea is simple. Open Quick Assist, get a security code from a trusted helper, enter the code when prompted, and follow the connection instructions. And that's how you can request help using Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.